Hello viewers, in this video I am going to explain you this problem. See, in first row 4,32,678. As we know already, in 5 dots this middle dot is 1 dot. Okay, so in 1 dot lower bits each value is 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, upper bit is 5. In 10 dot means 10, 20, 30, 40, upper bit is 50. Okay, see here in this row we need to add 8 beads in 1 dot, 7 beads in 10 dot, 6 beads in 100 dot, 2 beads in 1000 dot, 3 beads in 10,000 dot, and add 4 beads in lakhs dot. Okay. First, we'll see how to add 8 beads in 1 dot. This is 1 dot. This middle dot is 1 dot. So we need to start from upper beads, which is 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is added in 1 dot. And we need to add 7 beads in 10 dot. So in 10 dot we need to add 7. Again we need to start from upper beads. 5, 6, 7. 7 in 10 dot means 70 is added. But we don't want to bother about this. Okay. Just in 10 dot we need to add 7 beads. That's it. Next in 100 dot we need to add 6 beads. So this one is 100 dot. So 5, 6. 6 is added in 100 dot. Next, in 1000 dot, we need to add 2 beads. So, 2 beads means we can start from lower beads, which is 1, 2. 2 is added in 1000 dot. Next, we need to add 3 beads in 10,000 dot. So, this one is 10,000. So, we need to add 3 beads. We can start from lower beads. 1, 2, 3. 3 is added. And finally, we need to add 4 beads in lakhs dot. 4 beads means we can start from lower beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is added in lakhs dot. Okay. Therefore 4,32,678 is added. The first row is completed. Next we need to go for second row, which is 712. We need to remove 712 from this rod. Okay. That is, we need to remove 2 beads from 1 dot, 1 beads from 10 dot, remove 7 beads from 100 dot. Here beads are available to remove. So 1, 2. 2 beads are removed from this 1 dot. Okay. Next, we need to remove 1 bead from 10 dot. Here also beads are available. So remove 1 bead from 10 dot. These 2 digits are completed. Next, we'll move to 100 dot. We need to remove 7 beads from 100 dot. But see here only 6 beads are available to remove. But we need to remove 7. We cannot do minus 7 directly here. Hence, apply big friend formula for minus 7. 7's big friend is 3. But we need to do minus 7, right? So, add 3 beads here plus 3 and remove 1 bead from 1000 dot, which is minus 1000. Minus 1000 plus 300 equal to minus 700 is completed. Okay. Because big friend formula for minus 7 is minus 10 plus 3, right? But this is 1000 dot. So, we can tell it as minus 1000 plus 300 equal to minus 700 completed. So, sum is completed. Now, the answer is 431,966. That is 4,31,966 is the correct answer. Okay. If you have any doubts in this problem, you can comment me. Thank you.